Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to copy any website into Figma. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is come on over to figma.com and sign into your account. Then from there, click on the design button and then we should be taken to a new design. Now, next step is to install a plugin. So we need to install a plugin for this to work. So on your keyboard, click on Shift and I, or simply click into Resources. And now we need to search for the plugin. So we need to search for this html.2.design. Or if you don't find it there, come over to the left-hand side, click on the tools and type it in here, html.2.design. Here it is here. So we need to go ahead and click onto Run. Now, once it's running, it's going to appear here to the right. Now, it's going to say import from via URL. So go ahead and choose that URL. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using a Notion. So from here, I want to click onto import. Now, it's going to give us some import options. So we got auto layout, create styles and variables, etc. So from this, I suggest turning on use auto layout, create styles and variation enabled, HTML layer names enable. Now this makes your layers easier to understand, and with also create styles and variables, it will create reusable colors, text styles, design tokens, and use auto layout. This makes sections easier to edit and resize later, and now this is great for responsive designs. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click onto proceed. You can turn on hyperlinks if you want, so turn them on if you want clickable links in your prototype. Now this is not necessary for redesign work, so go ahead and click on proceed. Once you've done that, then you should have a little progress bar here while it is importing this design. Okay, so once that's done, go ahead and have a look at it. So I'm going to zoom out to check it out. Now I'm just going to scroll down. So now they've imported that into my Figma design. Now it might look a bit messy on the left hand side with these layers and pages. So you want to go ahead and rename your layers inside of here. Also create website sections and make it more editable. And also you can add auto layout if you want. Now with the design, you can obviously go ahead and come in here and replace images and basically create your own version by using this as a template.